find out where the other belt buckle wearing some bitches. There's one right there, and he also looks like a corn husker. Belt buckle wearing some bitch. And there's a man got the belt buckle wearing some bitch and off the big buckle some bitch. Very lovely, but I'm sure she wore a belt. She'd be a belt buckle wearing some bitch too. Well, there's a belt buckle wearing some bitch. Big bastard. Belt buckle wearing some bitch. Belt buckle wearing some bitch. Definitely he is a belt buckle wearing son of a bitch from Arkansas. You can tell by that 70s haircut, and there's a good old belt buckle wearing some bitch there. Golly. Poor Buffalo Bills fan over there. He's a belt buckle wearing some bitch from Western New York. Belt buckle wearing some bitch, a dozen up here. What belt buckle wearing some bitch? Belt buckle wearing some bitch. They're definitely from the Asian countries. Taiwanese, guaranteed. Ugh. Oh man, my teeth are getting awfully sore. I gotta go to the dentist. This is Totten Tooth Bastard signing out. I'll be back later in the afternoon, trying to spot more of these belt buckle wearing some bitches. One more belt buckle wearing some bitch I gotta find. I know he's around here somewhere. Oh. I'll be right back with him soon. Out.